Hi, welcome to Starlight.Studio. My name is Brian. I am not the one that you speak with on the message boards or that answers your emails. I do a lot of the book work, some of the quality control, all the packaging, and some of the other back-end work. Today we're going to do a review on our new Power Ranger Morpher replacement plates for your toy Morpher. Okay. Let's talk about them first. These are made of an alloy metal, again, so they're probably going to outlast your toy. You can get them in gold or silver. This one's gold, that one's silver. When you get them, they will come with 4 screws, 2 for the bottom, 2 for the top. They're already screwed in there. Okay, and today I'm going to show you how to put them on. It's very simple. So, open your toy Morpher. Alright, turn it around. Make sure your handle's up. It's easier to get to the screws on the bottom. All you need is a screwdriver, a small screwdriver. Got this at Walmart. Okay. So, take out 2 screws. When you buy the plates, they come with your own screws. We suggest using them since they were made for it. The ones that were in the toy may be a little bit bigger, although they should still work. If you still want to use your old screws for whatever reason, that's fine. Not a big deal. Okay, there's the bottom. Real tight. Alright. Okay, it does not matter which one you put on first, the top or the bottom. Just take the screws out of the new one first. Let's see. Alright. You want to make sure the top one will only fit on the top, bottom one only on the bottom, because the screw holes are spaced differently. Again, it doesn't matter which one you put in first. If your fingers are too big to get the screw in there, you can use tweezers, but I'm sure you won't have a problem. Maybe I need tweezers. Okay. Old bugger. There we go. When you're screwing them in and you feel some resistance, don't try and force it because you might be cross-threading the threads. You don't want to do that. If that's might ruin your new Morpher plate. If you don't want to screw it in, you can glue them. See, don't tighten the screws all the way at first because you might need to wiggle it just a little to get the other side in. There we go. If you noticed, it was catching right here a little bit. That's why you don't want to screw them in too tight until you get them both started. Alright. They're tight. Alright. There we go. That's your gold Morpher plate. Looks pretty good, doesn't it? It's pretty neat. Still opens and closes, so shouldn't have any problem. Alright, we've already had someone call and say that the screw don't know which one to call it, the screw holes wouldn't line up. Now, these toys are at least 18 years old, so keep in mind, your toy might be, pieces of it could warp a little bit, move a little bit over time, especially if you've had it exposed to the elements, sun or anything. Let me show you what I'm talking about here. Okay, he was saying that the holes here were not lining up with the pillar there that the screw goes into. Now, that might have moved a little bit. These should fit. That's why I'm saying leave it a little bit loose when you're putting the screws in, so that you can kind of adjust it a little bit. I think that guy's toy had either melted or, you know, softened a little bit, I should say, and this moved a little bit, but that should not be a problem with most people. If you're afraid of that happening, I guess just don't buy them, because we are not going to buy back any Morpher plates that are not going to fit your Morpher just because of the way it was treated. Okay, there we go. Morpher plates. You can check us. You can buy them on eBay, on our Starlight.Studio eBay store. And here we are. Hope you enjoy.